Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, northern Waubonsee County, eastern Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas, southern Nemaha County in northeastern Kansas, western Jackson County in northeastern Kansas, southwestern Brown County in northeastern Kansas, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles north of Gulf to 4 miles south of St. George, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wamego, St. Mary's, Onega, St. George, Wetmore, Bellevue, Emmett, Louisville, Circleville, Delia, Corning, Netawaka, Soldier, Maybethville, Gulf, Powhatan, Kickapoo Indian Reservation, and Woodlawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.